Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Dan firmly believes that larger corporations should bear the main responsibility for reducing carbon footprints. He often explains how these companies are responsible for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions. For instance, Dan points out that factories, power plants, and large-scale agriculture contribute massively to pollution. He argues that while individuals can make a difference, the actions of big corporations have a much larger impact on the environment. In Dan's view, many corporations prioritize profit over environmental responsibility. He often cites examples of companies that continue to use fossil fuels and produce plastic products despite knowing the harm they cause. Dan believes that these businesses should invest in sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy and reducing waste. He thinks that if corporations take action, it could lead to meaningful change and a healthier planet. Furthermore, Dan emphasizes the importance of holding these corporations accountable. He feels that governments should enforce stricter regulations on emissions and incentivize companies to adopt greener practices. Dan argues that when larger corporations take their environmental responsibilities seriously, it can inspire individuals and smaller businesses to do the same. For him, tackling climate change requires collaboration, but the focus should be on the significant role that corporations play in shaping the future of the planet. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.